Hi, third graders. Today for math, you're going to be finishing up lesson 2. Now, last week when we were together on Friday, we did a lot of work and talking and reminding ourselves what is standard form, what is word form, what is written form when we're looking at place value. And so we worked on page 7 together so that you would know what to do when you were doing distance learning on your own this week. So this is what your student book looks like. And as a reminder, here's our example of what we're going to be doing for the next several problems. But this first example right here, 7,215 equals 7,000 plus 200 plus 10 plus 5. That's an example of expanded form. When I write the number and how we're used to seeing it, 7,215 is the standard form. Just remember, too, third graders, that we want to make sure that we have that comma there between the 1,000 space and the 100 space. In word form, 7,215 is when we spell it all out, when we do our best in spelling. And I know, and we talked about it on Friday, that sometimes it gets long to write such big words. But remember that it's good practice too, because our brain is not only seeing it and hearing it, but it's experiencing it as it's writing it. So your task for Monday, October 5th, is to complete page 8, where you're going to be doing exactly what we just looked at. And then you're going to be going into page 9. And page 9 is another review page of what we've been talking about. However, it's also looking at the model form. Remember, if I had these as place value blocks, these would be thousands and it would be that big cube. And then the flat would be hundreds. The rods would be tens, and then the units would be ones. And so your task is going to be counting these up. So I have 6 thousands, I have 6 hundreds, I have 4 tens, and 1 one. And I have it written down right here in expanded form. And again, in a different way with expanded form. So then when I get to the practice down here, I notice that, oh man, there's nothing in the hundred space right here. So what I'm going to do is, when there's not a model there, that means it's 0. And you can see that right down here. So I'm going to write this in standard form, and then I'm going to write this in standard form again. This is expanded form. This right here, the 2030 and 4 make blank, what you're going to be putting there is the standard form. And I want you to read this out loud so that your brain can hear it as you're doing it. You're going to continue through page 9. And then the last page that I want you to work on today, on Monday, is page 10. And page 10 is a review of so far everything that we've done in lesson 1 and lesson 2. You're using your big brain to do some thinking and comparing the standard form to the expanded form. And your job is to figure out what is missing. So right here I have the number 7,456. I look at the expanded form and I think to myself, what is missing right here? So your task is to go in and go through here and just write those down. Tomorrow, Tuesday, October 6th, we'll start our lesson of lesson number 3. But for today, Monday, October 5th, I just want you to finish pages 8, 9, and 10.